Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you super duper hair growth oil. This is the hair crack using some Indian herbs. Without wasting time, let's just get started. First, I'll get a tablespoonful of rosemary leaves. These are dried leaves. Next, I'll add a tablespoonful of neem powder, tablespoonful of amla powder, another tablespoonful of green garage powder, spoonful of kapoor parsley powder, finally a tablespoonful of fenugreek powder. I'll put a pan on flame and come in with some coconut oil. When the oil has melted enough, I'll come in with all the powders. Don't forget we're doing this on the lowest of flames. Mix it gently and it doesn't have to boil. So fenugreek powder is used for hair and it kind of stimulates the growth of hair and it strengthens the hair. Also kind of makes it stronger and it prevents hair fall, but then it's kind of darken your hair a little bit. Famous amla powder here is very good for hair growth. This has been used by Indian women for so many years. It also improves hair strength and gives it shine. This Kapoor Karchli powder here improves hair volume, and I must say it has that kind of minty smell and it smells really good. This brain garage powder I added is good for thin hair, and those of you who are suffering from hair loss, it adds density and it calms the scalp as well. After it's been on the flame for about 30 minutes, I'll just put off the flame and let it cool down. Now, with the help of a fine cloth, I will just strain the oil into a clean bowl. Finally, I'll come in with some castor oil. Castor oil is great for hair, especially those with very thin, fine hair. If you want to prevent hair loss and hair fall, castor oil actually helps. So afterwards, I'll put it in a clean, sterilized container. Keep it in the bathroom cabinet. You can use this daily or every other day. It helps improve your scalp. It helps strengthen your hair and it helps improve, the density. So if you want to start a hair journey, if you want to improve the quality of your hair, you can try this hair crack oil at home. You can find all these powders online. I got mine from Aromazone. They sell all sort of, herbal powders and oils. So you can take a look and they are quite affordable. I hope I did help you and I hope you're going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I'm going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.